Hello children, now today we are again here to study our English grammar part. Last lecture में हमने डिस्कस किए थे the various forms, the various rules by which singular form को हम plural form में convert करते हैं. Okay, so quickly let's revise that before we move ahead. हमने 6 rules discuss किए थे. The first is we put an S in most of the cases. Second is the words which end with S, double S, X, Z, ch or sh, we put an ES. Third is the words which end with O, उनको plural में convert करने के लिए हम उनके आगे ES लगाते हैं. Fourth is the fourth and fifth talk about the words which end with Y. We see उसके preceding alphabet कौन सा है. अगर consonant है तो हम Y हटा के IES लगाते हैं plural बनाने के लिए. एंड अगर Y से पहले वाला प्रीसीडिंग अल्फ़ाबेट वोवल है तो हम सिर्फ S लगाते हैं टू मेक इट प्लूरल. फाइन. एंड द लास्ट रूल दैट वी डिस्कस्ड वाज फॉर द वर्ड्स दैट एंड विद F और FE. यहाँ पे प्लूरल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए F और FE को हम हटा देंगे, ड्रॉप कर देंगे एंड वी ऐड इन VES इन द एंड टू मेक इट प्लूरल. Fine. I hope by now you would have all learned this by heart, and since you have used it in the last worksheet, so I'm sure that you'll be well versed with it by this time. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now, before this we have discussed the 6 basic rules that are used to convert singular to plural. Fine, but there are certain nouns जो ये 6 rules को follow नहीं करते. So these are known as exceptions. There are 6 exceptions. The first one is of the irregular nouns. So irregular nouns क्या होते हैं? These are those nouns जो ये rules कोई भी follow नहीं करते हैं for changing singular to plural. That means उनका singular to plural form conversion में हम S नहीं लगा सकते, हम ES नहीं लगा सकते, हम VES और IES इनमें से कुछ भी use नहीं करते. So let's take certain examples. Woman. Woman का plural is women. MEN. Foot becomes feet. Goose becomes geese. Mouse becomes mice. Child becomes children. And tooth becomes teeth. So this was the first exception of irregular nouns. Okay, let's move on to the second one. Second one says some nouns are always used in their singular form only. So there are certain nouns जिसको हम हमेशा सिर्फ उनके singular form में use करते हैं. Like news. Whether in a news there are 10 news or 20 news or 2 news or 1 news, हम उसको news ही बोलेंगे. Furniture. अगर आपके इस रूम में 1 furniture है, 2 है, 3 है, 10 है, irrespective of that हम सिर्फ furniture ही बोलते हैं, उसमें S या ES नहीं लगता. Similarly information. Multiple informations हो फिर भी उसको information ही बोला जाता है. And the last example is baggage. Okay, let's move to the third point. The third exception is some nouns are always taken their plural form even though they refer to one thing. That means कि कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो सिर्फ अपना plural form में ही use होते हैं, हालांकि वो refer एक ही चीज़ को करते हैं. Like sunglasses. It doesn't mean that there are 2-3 sunglasses. One sunglasses is known as sunglasses. Okay, scissors. We don't say get a scissor. We say get scissors. So it is used in this plural form only. Whether it is one scissor, still उसको हम scissors ही बोलेंगे. Trousers. I am wearing my red trousers. So it is not that person is wearing 2 or 3 red trousers. एक ही को trousers ही बोला जाता है. That means they are used in their plural form only. Clear everyone? Let's move ahead. The fourth says some nouns have the same singular and plural form. This is कुछ nouns ऐसे भी होते हैं जो singular और plural form उनका same ही होता है. Like deer. Deer हिंदी में उसको हम हिरन बोलते हैं. So if you see 1 deer, 2 deer, 3 deer, you'll call it as deer only. उसमें उसका form change नहीं होता. Similarly fish. Multiple fish or one fish, you call it fish only. Fine. Let's move to the fifth point. Fifth one talks about the abstract noun. पहले रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. What we studied about abstract noun is, abstract nouns are nouns, I hope you remember this, are nouns which we can feel through our sense organs. Okay, so the rule number 5 says abstract nouns usually have only the singular form. That means ये जो nouns होते हैं इनमें सिर्फ हम singular form में ही use करता है. For example, here we have a sentence, we should always listen to the advice of our elders. That doesn't mean कि हमें अपने elders, what this says is, like आपके elders हैं, उन्होंने आपको एक advice दी, 2 advice दी, 3 advice दी, but हम उसको singular form में advice ही बोलेंगे. Fine? Similarly, love will become love only, it won't become loves. Okay, friendship will remain friendship, it will not change its form. This last one is collective nouns are usually singular. As we have studied while we were discussing collective nouns, that collective nouns को हम एक cluster बना देते हैं, like flock of birds. So we'll treat it as a singular entity, not as a plural. हालांकि birds है, so it should be plural, but because it's a collective noun, it will be a singular entity. So collective nouns are usually singular. A flock of birds is sitting on wire. The bunch of keys is kept in the drawer. Fine, students? So with this, we finish with all our rules that have been there for converting singular noun to plural nouns.